Hey guys, it's freelancing time again, and today I'm going to share you how I am getting clients in Upwork the fastest way. Bago yon, pakilala muna ako, I'm RJ and I'm doing freelancing since 2018. I am a top rated plus freelancer in Upwork. I've been using this method since na-start ako sa Upwork and nakakuha ako ng high-paying clients because of this. In fact, I got clients who pays me $40 to $50 per hour. Actually, I created the video way back 2021 pa for this. So, this is the updated version of that. Okay, so you will need an approved Upwork profile obviously. So, kung wala ka pang Upwork profile, meron akong video niyan. Hanapin nyo na lang sa channel ko. And your profile must be 100% complete. A Chrome extension called Feeder. So, mamaya tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano i-download yan and paano i-install, and a simple yet effective proposal which I will share you later on. So without further ado, let's do it. Okay, so start na tayo. So on this tutorial, I'm going to use my sister's Upwork account. So right now, her account is new to Upwork, so wala pa experience at all. So gagawin natin is click this search icon and type your preferred job post that you want to search. So let's say we're going to apply for a virtual assistant jobs. So just click enter. So as you can see, meron lalabas dyan na sobrang daming results. So I think it's more than 5K I guess or 6K. So what we're gonna do is we will click the category, and under admin support is the virtual assistants. So piliin nyo lang yan, or probably you can use all admin and all admin support selection. So just click on that. Then experience level, don't click anything. Job type, since kung gusto mo ng long term na works Upwork, click hourly. And number of proposals, so this is the most important part. Number of proposals must be less than 5. Then just left everything unchecked. So as you can see with these filters, nag-narrow na yung search niya. These jobs have less than 5 proposals pa lang yung submit. So kapag nag-apply ka sa mga jobs na to, malaki yung chance mong mag-hire ka kasi konti lang yung So next na gagawin natin is we will save that particular search. So click save search. So save search as virtual assistant. So save. So once it's saved, go back to homepage, and there you have it. So it's here on the shortcut of the save searches. So if you click virtual assistant, so yung mga lalabas na jobs dito is based dun sa filters na ginawa natin. So virtual assistant, so less than 5 proposals pa lang yung masasubmit dito. So pili ka lang dyan, ganyan. So tingin-tingin ka lang kung may optional pang post, pero hindi pa doon natatapos. Next natin gagawin is mag-download tayo ng Chrome extension called Feeder. So next is click this plus icon to open a new tab, and we are going to search Feeder for Chrome extension. So type there Feeder for Chrome extension and select the first result, I guess. So RSS feed reader. Okay, click add to Chrome, then add extension. Okay, so once na-add nyo na yung feeder, click nyo tong puzzle icon, then pin nyo yung RSS feeder extension natin para madali nyo siya makita. Then mangyayari is kailangan mong mag-set up sa feeder. So click get started, then continue without signing up. Ang purpose kasi nito is kung mag-login ka kasi may bayad na siya. So, kailangan continue without signing up tayo. Then, continue without account. So, ito na siya. So, reminder lang, huwag kayo magsa-sign in sa feeder kasi meron siyang bayad. Next is, balikan natin yung ginawa nating filter kanina. Click natin yung virtual assistant. Then, click this 3 dots icon. Tapos, click nyo RSS. So, meron lalabas na link dito. So, i-copy nyo lang yan. Then, go to feeder extension. Then, go to settings. So, once na ma-open na yung settings, click nyo add feed. So, click search. So, on the search bar, paste nyo lang yung link na kinapin natin kanina from Upwork feeds. So here, then click search. Yan, ayun yung filter natin for virtual assistant jobs na ginawa natin kanina. So click nyo lang follow and click more, then edit feed. So mangyayari is click nyo yung desktop saka sound. Mangyayari niya pag merong bagong post, magno-notify siya sa feeder. Lalabas yan dito sa lower right end ng inyong screen. Ayan na siya, as you can see. So click nyo lang to. So ayan na siya, no? So click nyo lang tong our virtual assistant jobs. Yan na yung mga jobs na lalabas based dito sa filter na ginawa natin. So, lahat ng virtual assistant jobs, tapos less than 5 lang. So, as mentioned, kapag merong bagong job, manonotify kayo agad na merong bagong job post. And ang tendency is, syempre, na-notify kayo. So, makakapag-apply kayo agad dun sa job post na yan. So, click mo lang yan. So, let's say, eto, kailangan mo tong applyan or gusto mo applyan. Click mo lang yan, apply now. We are going to use a simple yet effective proposal. So, gagawin ko is, I will apply apply as a freelancer, then your profile rate, so lagay natin $10 per hour. Then rate increase, ako never lalagay ko. Cover letter, ito yung ginawa kong cover letter. So open mo lang yan, paste mo lang yan. Ito yung ginawa kong cover letter. So copy and paste mo lang yan dyan. Then meron tayong babaguing part dito. So gagawin natin is kakopy natin tong job post. Then ipapalitan natin is itong part na to. Importante kung ano yung job title nung sa post is mas maganda kung ilalagay nyo sa eksakto. Kasi para malaman ng client na nagbabasa kayo ng job post or alam nyo yun. So ito na yung cover letter natin. I can see that yung ST, Digital Product and Management. So siguro do some minimal changes lang para gumanda na. Can help with your project and give regular updates. So if you think I'm a good fit for the job, please feel free to send me a message. Then lagay mo yung date. So kung may attachments kayong ilagay, mas okay. So as a newbie, siguro pwede mo ilagay yung CV mo or yung resume. Kung may portfolio, mas okay. So yan. So once na okay na lahat, pwede ka nang mag-send ng proposal. Tapos wait mo lang yung client. I am 100% sure na mag-reply sila agad since nag-apply ka agad kapag nag-post sila. Kasi nga manonotify ka agad pag may bagong post using this feeder extension. And that's it for this video. Kung effective sa inyo yung method na to sa paghanap ng clients, please like, share, and subscribe. And comment ka naman sa baba, nag-client na ako. So see you on the next video and thanks for watching.